Hello, welcome to TZT Learning Session. In this session, we will explore the components of your web screen's homepage. We'll learn how to navigate these elements, open and close task screens in Sage 300, and customize the homepage, including working with widgets. Depending on your Sage 300 version, the view or navigation might vary. This view that we're looking at right now is for versions 2024 of Sage 300. On the left side of the screen, you will see the navigation menu, which allows you to open task windows for accounts payable, accounts receivable, bank services, and other functions. In version 2024, as with earlier versions, you can change the session date at any time after logging in. This is different from the classic desktop version, where you would adjust the session date before logging in. Here, you log in first and then change the session date as needed. Next to the session date is your username. To sign out of the web screens, click the down arrow and select Sign Out, which will return you to the sign on screen, where either the same or a new user can log in. Moving to the right, you'll see the company currently logged in, which is Sample Total Zahid Technology Limited. Next is a tool icon. The Tools icon hides the toolbar. Clicking it once will hide the toolbar, and clicking it again will reveal it. The toolbar includes the Windows Manager, which shows your screens that are currently open. Right now we have 0 open as it indicates. We've got our recently used windows, so this holds up to the last 10 windows that you've opened. So instead of going to the navigation menu on the left to open and find your window, you can come over here to the recently used windows to open the screen that you've used before. The report icon lets you quickly find a report added by users with the appropriate security rights. The inquiry icon allows you to select a template, adjust filter information, and view a custom inquiry. The notes icon, if available, enables you to attach notes to customers, vendors, or items. Clicking this feature shows all system notes, which you can filter, view, or create new ones. To manage open task windows, use the Windows Manager. Hover over it, find the window you want to close, and click the X button. To open other windows, navigate through the menu. An icon at the top expands the menu permanently, showing both icons and module names. If you need more screen space, you can collapse the menu to show only icons. To open a screen, move your mouse to the desired module, select the appropriate submenu, and choose the screen you want to access. For frequently used modules, you can use menu shortcuts to access other items. You can also switch between screens using the breadcrumb menu at the top. The Windows Manager on the right shows the number of open windows. To close a window, highlight the Windows Manager and close the desired window. To return to the home page while keeping Windows open, click the Home button. Note that the open windows will still be visible on the right. On the web screens, you can add or customize your home page to see key performance indicators for your company. And every user that logs in has the ability to do this. This is called widgets, so you would click on the Add Widgets in the top right corner, and you can have up to 6 widgets available on your home page at a time. And say I want to move my account balances over to my income from operations. So I can just move my mouse until I see the little 4 arrows, click and hold and drag. That will move my widget over so that I can rearrange the home page if I need to. Widgets have their own drop-down menu, allowing you to edit information, refresh data, or close the widget if necessary. That's how you navigate the web screen view in Sage 300.